Since the divorce, I've become a Tinder Cowboy. Meet lots of women, having lots of fun. Whenever the word commitment come in the conversation, I'd say these words and they get the job done. I'd say I live with a guy named Mark. Gets real loud when we have a few drinks. Pretty princess named Stella takes up the couch and kinda stinks. There's no man living in the front yard, never let me down. So if you can handle all that stuff, you might not want to stick around. You might not want to stick around. But when I'm like that for quite some time, run around with every woman I can find. So if boys, you're in a sticky situation where the woman you're with is asking for a lifetime, just say I live with a guy named Mark. Gets real loud when we have a few drinks. Pretty princess named Stella takes up the couch and kinda stinks. There's no man living in the front yard, never let me down. So if you can't handle all that stuff, you might not want to stick around. You might not want to stick around. Well then, one day it happened. Swipe right, led to texting and to coffee. Lunch, dinner, drinks, dancing. Next thing you know, I'm sitting in her driveway, thinking the night's gonna turn out just fine, when she said I live with a girl named Taylor. Been my best friend since I was 13 years old. She might not be the top of the line model, but some nights pretty's room, the whole dang room. And there's a boy named Bucket, snaps in his snarls and he probably bites. And there's a pony in the garage, make me feel alright. So if you can handle all that stuff, you might not want to stay here tonight. You might not want to stay here tonight. And that's the death of the Tinder Cowboy. The death of the Tinder Cowboy. Thank you so much for listening to my songs.
All right, y'all, let's hear it for Tony Garman, for Eric Bradley Golden, Peyton Gowski.